2010 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The competitive C-Class has a smooth and strong 3.0-liter V6 that gets a decent 21 miles per gallon overall and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, keyless entry, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.